everyone, Tessa here. First, I want to thank PowerOwl for sending me these high-capacity 9-volt batteries for my honest review, so let's dive in. It's an 8-pack designed for various household items like smoke detectors, fire alarms, and so much more. I've used PowerOwl's AAA and AA rechargeable batteries before, and they have been fantastic, really long-lasting and reliable, so I was excited to try out these 9-volt ones. These are single-use, but they're built to be ultra-long-lasting with a 5-year shelf life. So that's perfect for those devices that you don't check daily, like smoke detectors. I appreciate that these batteries are leak-proof and anti-corrosion, so you don't have to worry about damage to your devices. And they fit anything that requires 9-volt batteries, like my favorite bug vacuum here. So this bug vacuum takes 9-volt batteries, and I've had this one in here for a couple of years now, I think, and it still works. Here, let me just show you. I'm just going to turn it on. And there's a little light. And I'm going to demonstrate the sound of the vacuum right now. Okay, I'm going to bring it closer to my mic. Okay, here we go. Now I am going to change this battery and put in a new 9-volt. Here we go. Okay. All right. Okay, let's listen to the vacuum now. There's the light, and here we go. Wow. Way more powerful. I'm going to keep this battery in here now, and I'm not going to have to worry about changing it for a long time. I'm very excited about these batteries. So if you're looking for high voltage and reliable performance, PowerOwl's 9-volt batteries are a great option.